Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and here we have the Thuja Anna's Magic Ball. I have 5 of these here planted underneath a standard lilac tree, and I did this just so that in the winter I have a little splash of color in this area when all my other plants are losing their leaves. So this Anna's ball gets to be about 18 inches tall and about 18 to 24 inches wide. These have been in here for, it's probably been about 3 or 4 years that we've had these in here. They have this nice chartreuse yellow-green color. So it's a nice pop of color up against more of the darker green foliages that I have in my garden. And I'd say these are pretty full size. So this is about all the bigger that these Thuja Anna balls get. I just love the nice globe shape that they have. It just adds character, I think, to the landscape and garden. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with Thuja Anna's Magic Ball.